Setting up the plunge all in is super easy, so let's go through how it works step by step. Starting with deciding where to place your plunge. You want to ensure that there are at least 16 inches of clearance on the end of the plunge, which is where the electrical components live. On the front of your plunge, there should be at least 12 inches of space to allow access to the drain. On the end of the tub where your head will rest, you only need 4 inches of clearance, which we recommend so you can lean your head back comfortably. And to make your experience even more comfortable, add a tub pillow. You can find them on plunge.com. To fill the plunge, start by attaching the carbon hose filter to a garden hose and run water through it into a drain. When the water turns clear, you can start filling the plunge with water until it reaches 4 to 6 inches from the top edge of the tub. Let the water rest for at least 20 minutes so the coolant has time to settle before you plug in your plunge. Before you plug it in, make sure that you have easy access to a dedicated 15 amp GFCI 120 volt circuit. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter, which shuts the power off automatically when there's an electrical fault, reducing your risk of injury. Once you've located the outlet and the water has settled for 20 minutes, plug the plunge's 15-foot electrical cord into the outlet. Now you're ready to turn on your plunge. Locate and press the reset button on the plug. You should hear the jets turn on and see the screen on the back of the tub light up, showing the current water temperature. To set the water temperature, press the up and down arrows on the back of the tub until you reach your desired temperature. For beginners, we recommend starting at 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. As you progress in your plunging journey, you can lower the temperature all the way down to 38 degrees. On our channel, we cover the science behind cold plunging and why the temperature matters so much, plus FAQs and plunging protocols, so subscribe and stay tuned. When the plunge is adjusting the temperature, you'll see colored arrows. The blue arrow indicates that the water is cooling down, and the red arrow indicates that it's heating up. Once the temperature is set, and most importantly, you are ready to get in your plunge, you can choose to press the light bulb button on the back of the tub to turn it on, or press it again to turn it off. Note that if you don't turn it off manually, the light will automatically turn itself off after 4 hours. If you want a quieter plunging experience, you can pause the jets by pressing the pause button. It'll pause in increments of 15 minutes up to 1 hour. Once the timer runs out, the jets will start running again and circulating the water. Now you're ready to start plunging. You got this.